this tutorial, we'll be seeing the importance of important property in CSS. So first we have opened an HTML file, and using Emmet, we are going to create the HTML boilerplate. I'm just going to give the title name as CSS important property. And in the body section, I'm going to have 3 paragraphs. So for the first one, I'm going to give ID. For the second one, I'm going to give a class. And for the third one, I'm going to leave it as it. So in the head section, I'm going to create a style tag. And I'm going to write initially for the paragraph. I'm going to set it the color to the blue, and I'm going to give an important property. And we do so by putting an exclamatory mark and typing in the important. Ideally, the important overrides all the size related to the paragraph or the selector, and then I'm going to write it for the ID. Ampersand, and I'm going to put the color to say red, and finally I'm going to give a style color to the class, and this class selector is the carrying. So again, I'm going to give this color to say black. So if you see, in the style, we have first defined the paragraph, and then ID, and then class. However, the order is the last will be the selector. And even here, if I'm going to write an inline style for this, and I'm going to set it to yellow. So this important property will override all the styling, even to the selector. So let's see the output. I'm going to run the live server. So if you see all the color for the paragraph being set to blue. And now if I'm going to just remove the important property here, and I'm going to save it, you see it will take the default color which we have set. And for the paragraph tag without the ID or class, it will take the inline CSS. That becomes the first hierarchy or the first preference if we do not define our important class. So I hope you have understood about the important property in CSS in this class. Thank you. Okay.